Hey everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to make a method in Java. A method is a customized tool inside of your program that will do anything you'd like it to. For example, identify even or odd numbers, convert temperature types, and whatever else you can think of. Alright, as an example, we will be using a method to calculate the area of a rectangle. What you see here on screen is what your Java project should look like before we begin. For calculating the area of a rectangle, we're going to need length and width values. These values can be set to any number, and for this example, I chose to use integers. We are now going to be putting in the code that we'll be calling our method. Here, we will be creating an int value called result. Result is taking in the outputted value from our area method. Inside the brackets, we are giving the area method our length and width values. Before we get to our method, this is the code that will print the area of our rectangle. Moving on to our method, I set the method to be public so any class inside the project can call this method. The return type values will be set to int so it matches our length and width values. The name is area, and inside the brackets are the length and width values the method will use. The method is returning the result of length times width. If this video helped you out at all, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.